Welcome to Gocta! We are in the new airport of Lima, Jorge Chavez, and we start a new experience. About to take a new flight. It's the first time I'm here. It's quite nice, very clean so far. The check-in was fast. We are flying in ATSA to one of the most beautiful places in Peru. My personally favorite place in Peru, and we are going. I'm going this time with Lisa. Come with me in this new adventure. Okay, now on our way to Chachapoyas. It's going to be 1 hour 20 minutes flight. It's a short flight, but let's see if we can get some sleep. We have a very early morning, busy morning, so yeah, I'm gonna leave you some shots here of the view we have, and we are very excited. All right, finally we land safely, but it was very
Wild.
shaky. It was wild in this flight, in this airplane. It's a very interesting landscape,
That's
very
the
cloudy.
airport?
That's the huge airport. Yeah, like international airport. Actually, it's not international. It's just national, but I think only for Lima
Yeah.
flights.
Yeah,
This is my
probably.
first time in this airport.
Oh, okay.
Because before I used a different airport to come here. Uh-huh. It's not raining, I'm happy about that.
Yeah.
Because we are in rainy season in this area of Peru.
It's very green.
It's very green, like different.
Comparing to Paracas.
Compared to Paracas, which is just brownish, and then this is more greenish. Okay, so let's find the luggage. Gracias. We finally are in the Gocta Lodge, probably the most famous lodge in the north of Peru, I believe. Located in the town of Cocachimba, and I want to show you our room. Come. So we have the entrance here. This is the aisle, and let's start with the toilet. If you follow me, please. Thank you, my assistants. The toilet, it's not bad actually. Cute tables and space here. Good shampoo, conditioner. Then we have towels. And yeah, okay, that's it. That's the toilet. We don't have a bathtub, but that's okay because we're gonna go later to the pool. And if you follow me here, we have two beds. Lisa will be sleeping here, and I will sleep here in the queen table. We have a desk to work, a TV, mini bar, well, very clean, looks clean, and I want to show you the best part, which is in the balcony. Come with me. Okay, and if we open this section, 1, 2, please follow me. Look at this. Welcome to Gocta Waterfalls. Wow. This is the third tallest waterfalls in Peru. And it's about 800 meters. I'll explain you the details later, but we're gonna enjoy the day relax. This is the honeymoon day. And yeah, today is to enjoy the food. Take it easy because tomorrow is the big day of the hike. Okay, so we are in the town of Cocachimba. It's where you start the hiking to Gocta. We're evaluating still what track are we going to take tomorrow. We have poo here, like cow poo or horse poo.
Horse poo. No, actually, I don't know.
We're still deciding what track to do, but because we want to go to the top first falls of the waterfall. So now the first mission is to. What we want to do? We want to have lunch. Oh, they have cuy here. Look at us, ready for the hiking tomorrow. But we just got this waterproof poncho because tomorrow is a big day, and we started using it because it was rainy. Not quite a lot, but just lightly. We wanted to try it already. We got some fruits. This is going to be for the hiking as well. We need to think about what we're gonna eat because it's gonna be a few hours of hiking, so we need to be very well. I think it's this point. Let me see what is going on here. Cool. I guess we shouldn't use shoes here.
There's
Yeah.
stuff inside.
Yeah, definitely. Just wanna see what.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh.
No lifeguard.
Yes, definitely inside. Here. It could be on this side, eh? That's what helps, you know, when you are. We have an afternoon just to relax here in the most beautiful view from a pool in the world, probably. Turns out that this is the new pool, the most famous you see in the pictures. It's actually on the other side. It turns out that the neighbors grew some trees and now you can't see it from the pool. Still, it's a bit open. So we're gonna enjoy here the rest of the afternoon. Enjoy a good meal, and of course, tomorrow the goal to get there. Good morning. It's almost 7 a.m. in the morning, and we woke up with this amazing view. Hopefully we have a beautiful day with no rain at all. But the goal today is to go to the top waterfall. We are eating breakfast right now. Today is a big day. The big day to visit the waterfalls. And we're gonna start with a very well, healthy and nutritious breakfast. This is the Amazonian breakfast with some bananas and chorizos. And this I got the.
I have no clue what it is, actually.
This is the.
I thought it was oatmeal, but it's with rice.
The healthy breakfast.
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful view from this restaurant. And I imagine living here is such a privilege. Very small town, by the way. So, are you ready for the day? Let's start the adventure. go to San Pablo town, and this is the beginning of the Gocta hiking. Our driver kindly, he left us here, and we're gonna start the walk. We estimate no more than 5 hours round trip. We started hiking with this amazing view. Oh wow, look at you. We need a hat.
Yeah.
We should go on the market. Buen día, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Para la catarata.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is kind of hot. Let me,
We are having a break for a few seconds just to change and less clothes because it's getting hot and we want to be light. Well, kind of. It's more comfortable to walk. The amazing view from the track is just impressive. It's like a big mountains that embrace you,
yeah.
and we have it here in both sides. I'm gonna show you in a second. We have this section on the right next to the valley, and then we have behind me this other section. Wow. So, and the track is also really nice. This all this way. We stop in the Friendship Stone, Piedra de la Amistad, in the middle of the valley. I guess this is one of the first amazing view we're gonna have on track to the waterfall. And I showed you before, but the waterfall we saw, it's on this wall. It's very, very high, thin but very high. And from here we can see the town of San Pablo and Cocachima, where we stayed yesterday. But it's an amazing valley surrounded by these big walls. Can you give me the bite of Venezuela's waterfall? You in the track, sometimes you find these amazing walls. It's so impressive, the view here. I think the advice is could choose little water, fruits, take your trash home. But the organics, there are organic ones here, so that's good. And sunscreen, mosquito bites sprayed, and a lot of energy for this exciting experience. This is another rest, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's not as maintenance as the other, but I guess you can use this as a camping area in case it's a rain.
Yeah.
Or resting here. Okay, we are on track to the observatory. This is, by the way, the track to the second fall, and we are just going 100 meters this way to the observatory and then go back because our goal today is just the first fall. So in case you want to go to the second fall, which is the final fall, you need to go to this track. And I hope the observatory is good because it says observatory 120 meters. Almost there to the observatory. Wow. Baby, this one's going down.
Wow.
Look at this waterfall.
Holy moly.
Understand? How many waterfalls can you count? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow. We go to the first observatory, and probably it's the biggest one here on the towards the first fall. The difference with this one and the second fall is that during the track of the second fall, you see the entire waterfalls in different spots. I think in this one we are going to see only the complete waterfalls in this spot. We are going to go all around the mountains towards the lake of the first fall, and I think we have still like a 30 minutes more. Should be less than that. But look at this view. It's so beautiful and amazing. Keep walking into the very deep forest. On the way to the waterfall, we come across with this type of landscape. We're walking right next to big walls. It's impressive. Wow. No, it's shaking a lot. Look at there. Almost there. Prepare for this moment, ladies and gentlemen. Ah, that's it. That's the sign.
Whoa.
Wow. Look at this view. 6 kilometers. And then, wow, the wind, the steam.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I think we need to start using the jackets.
Okay.
Now we are ready to get as closer as possible to the waterfall. Oh, there's a stair. Oh wow. Maybe your ring? All good. Hi. Wow, the breeze, the wind. Wow. You goodie. Wow, look at the view here. Oh. Kawaii ne?
本当に気をつけて。
Yeah, 気をつけて. Be careful. ゆっくり。ゆっくり. Take your time. Yes, take your time. We have the whole day. It's okay. Stay here. This is the wind is bar. Wind.
Amor, saca el poncho y cubre las mochilas.
Van a ir a...
¿Sí?
Sí.
A su madre.
Pase,
Ya.
pase.
Sí, sí, con cuidado, que resbala. Lisa, take your time. Take your time. keep as possible to the
Yes, yes, of course.
to the left. Touch the rock, yes.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Okay, so we're not gonna get to the lake,
Oh,
but like
yeah.
to that corner, that should be fine. And yeah. Wow. Wow. Look, it's so tall. You doing okay?
Yes.
You goody. Wow, it's so windy here. Okay, we can go to that rock, that's it. It's so powerful.
Yeah.
I think Kokomade,
Yeah.
because there's no way to go down. Wow, look at the power of this. Look at the power of this. Ah. We can. Oh, these guys. Let's go there. Wait. No, todo bien. Sugoi. Ah, this guy is going down. Oh, it's too powerful. Let's go this. I just wanna go chiquito. Yes, but there, less windy.
Ah,
How was it?
good.
My pants are wet. Wow, look at that. So powerful. Yeah. Well, I can't do too much. Hey, hello! Woo, we made it! We got here to the first wall of Gocta. Look at this amazing place, so powerful, so much energy in this 700 meters waterfall. It's so impressed to be here with Lisa, with you all. I'm so happy to be in Peru this time. It was a wonderful experience, and I think there's still so much to explore. I guess we'll have more opportunities, but so far, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Dun, 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 dun. How are you doing? Take both sides. Here it's tricky. No, it's not tricky, but just be careful. Take your time. Wow. Whew. How was the experience?
Good. Like, I was first like too astonished
Yeah.
for words,
Yeah.
and also scary because there's no like fence.
there's no fence. I
So-
would say like experience like in Europe or in Japan, you would find like a
Fence,
more
definitely. Safe.
more safe, better designed
Yeah.
things for the activities of
Yeah.
hiking, you know. But
But overall, we're safe.
yeah, we're safe.
Yeah.
So I think because it's rainy season, it's like that. But in dry season,
It's more around.
it's you just have way less of this, and you can just go inside closer, even to the lake. There's no way you go to the lake now because it's so slippery, in the first place. But so approve it.
Yeah.
Oh. You what is the name? Is what you expected?
Bigger than I expected.
Okay. I wasn't sure if you like this type of experience, but like if you like my favorite place in Peru, but I know you like this hiking.
I like it. I love it. I see why. Now I see why it's a favorite place.